Hi, I'm Phil Munkos, Realtor in Houston. Today I'm going over the Sienna, Texas real estate market. I also did the major cities in Fort Bend County as well as Pearland, so you can check those videos out too, but this one's just focusing on Sienna. We're going to start with resale homes. So this would be the second quarter 2022, a lot of home sales, and then a big drop between that and the first quarter of 2023. I think that could be expected. Back here, people were trying to lock in that low interest rates. I think they probably already started climbing a little bit, but everyone knew it was going to go a lot higher. And then a drop off, and then the quarter that just passed, a little bit of a recovery, but inventory is so tight in Sienna now. Just not a lot of listings. There's still lots of buyers. I can show you by pricing of homes just so you can get an idea of what's going on. So year over year, this might be surprising. Like I said, I did the other areas in Fort Bend County. It wasn't like this everywhere. But the pricing is actually higher in Sienna right now than it was a year ago. So still a great time to sell a home. There was this big drop off in the first quarter, but quarter over quarter it bounced right back. We're in the busy part of the year, and the pricing is right back up. And on a price per square foot basis, same story. We're actually higher than we were year over year. So yeah, great time to be a home seller for sure. I'm going to show you what's going on with new homes, but let me show you months of inventory first. Okay, months of inventory is seen as a really good gauge of the strength of the market. Anything above 6 months is considered a buyer's market. Below 6 months is considered a seller's market. So typically Sienna is usually a seller's market, but there were some areas where it wasn't that way. But since COVID, you could see we're under a month of inventory in some of these areas. And then as the interest rates started to climb, the inventory started to build a bit. But now we're back down. There's just not a lot of inventory. Tight market. That looks like we're at about 2 months of inventory. So back to being a very strong seller's market. Just took a brief break in the first quarter. I'll show you new homes now. Okay, so these numbers don't look like any of the other cities that I did videos about, but 59 new home sales in the second quarter of 2022. These don't include any homes from the ground up, I should say. These are just inventory homes because we don't have any info on that. That's just between the builder and the buyer. And then in the first quarter of 2023, it dropped down to 42. Which is to be expected, I would think. But then now in the second quarter of 2023, we're up to 76. So I'm not sure way to explain that big jump. I know Sienna is still an extremely hot area, maybe just more lots available, more homes. Builders finally caught up from COVID and had more product to deliver. From a pricing standpoint, this one's kind of interesting too. It's year over year, it's about the same. I don't think any area had first quarter of 2023 as the highest selling price. I'm just thinking, I know there was like a really nice area that maybe had some homes closing in this time period down in Royal Oaks area, something like that. Maybe that's pushing that price up. But anyway, none of the other charts had this number being higher. But year over year, it's pretty steady. Pricing hasn't really dropped much. But on a price per square foot basis, it was almost up to 200 a year ago, but and a little bit of drop here. Not a huge drop, but yeah, a little bit of relief for home buyers. And then quarter over quarter, kind of consistent. So yeah, that's it for Sienna. Like I said, I did videos for the other cities in Fort Bend County if you want to take a look. Any questions or feedback, please reach out. I appreciate it all. Thank you.